Hi guys. Do you believe me if I say that the brain will cheat on you? Yes, it's true. So today in this video I am gonna prove. Number 1. Black and white to color. Once see this image, this is a negative image, right? So you did not see the colored image of this, right? What if I tell you that your brain will change this negative image to colored image? Yes, what you heard is right. See this image for 25 seconds. On this image of a girl you can see a dot, right? Focus on that for 25 seconds without blinking or turning around. Now look at the white screen for 5 seconds. You saw a colored photo of this girl, right? Number 2. Which circle is big? Now you can see this circles, right? So my question is, in this which circle is big, this one or both are same? Both are same. On this image you can see a dot, right? Focus on that for 25 seconds without blinking or turning around. You saw a colored photo, right? Number 4. Moving object illusion. Guys, see this image and tell how the objects are moving, like they are going equally or one by one. If you tell they are going one by one. No guys, both are going in same speed. Wait, let me remove these black lines. Amazing, right? Amazing, right?